This is before. Everything's stock on it. Sound decibels. 95. We'll let you guys hear it when we
Guys,
get
we
done.
got a gem in here today. 1990 Chevy Corvette. Look at that. Tuned port injection. It's only got 49,000 original miles. We took this massive original converter off, and we'll show you what we did in its place in a second. Still got 2 more factory converters in there. Then we put a high flow converter there, as you guys can see, in its place. How big of a difference in size compared to that old one. There's that one, and then there's that one. And then kept the factory Y pipe. Look how clean this thing is, by the way, guys. Look, the garage kept all its life. It's just mint. Camera probably don't even give it justice. Look, it's never been driven. It's just been sitting. Probably driven on the weekends, and that's it. It is clean. Anyways, Y pipe. Then we put 2 flow effects right there and right there instead of the factory mufflers. Part number 71416. There'll be a link in the description for them. And then quad tips out the back, duals there and there. We'll try to get you guys a link for something close to these or the same ones. Anyways, looks really nice, really clean. Check that out. And you can see from the paint job, you can see from everything how clean this car is. Has paint correction on it and everything. There it is, right there. And these are the 2 stock mufflers that were on it, factory mufflers that we took off right there and right there. So what it looks like after, a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. Sound good on this thing. There's sound decibels. Again. Right at 97. I like that pop. We have a before video on it so you guys can tell how quiet it is. You could barely hear it before. Sounds so much better. She's shining. Look at that. Babe. Red outside, red inside. '98. Think of the sound. I like it. It's not too loud, just clean. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Flow FX, high flow cat. Just looks mint. Oh yeah, enjoy, awesome. Sounds so good.